Yay. Hi, handsome. Fox is still fast asleep. He's fast asleep. Enough. Is your face? Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. Hey guys, good morning. Say good morning. Bye-bye. Good morning, guys. Well, happy Good Friday. Currently woke up. I was just doing a little bit of reading and stuff like that. And now we are up. Papa, well, been up for a bit. Papa's here watching Miss Rachel. This is a favorite thing. And this is my little favorite place. Yes, hanging out with my little man. Yay! Yay! And say hello. Achoo! Yeah, so, Dada. So, Dada's in the kitchen. Yeah. And see, I just drank my tea. Marching down to the ground. Yay! Hi, handsome. So yeah, I'm not sure. We're not doing much. We're not doing much today. I'm just taking some time to just relax. I gotta go get some stuff done. As I gotta still have to make his Easter hamper. I didn't do his Easter basket yet, and I gotta get the stuff done ready for his little Easter hunt. So that should be fun. I'm looking forward to that. Right, Papa? Your first Easter hunt. Are you mommy's little man? Say hi, guys. Say good morning. Your little head hiding in the pillow. No, he just finished eat, and now he's just hanging out. I need to, well, get up out of the bed, get some stuff done. I don't know if Mario's making some porridge. I think he might be making some porridge. Oh, and then, yeah, so we got some stuff. But when I get up and get myself together, I'll come back. Yes.
My earpiece. What do you say? Are you confused? I had my AirPod in listening to music, so I have to analyze it for one of my classes. Yes, they actually make you do that. Which one do you like more?
Right, guys, so we have so we fry up some festive here, and then the fish, yay! And we have bread, and we have two type of bun. The cheese is in the fridge, but yeah, that is what we were eating. And yes, we have more food over there. So this is what we are about to chow down on just now. Everybody finally wake up, and I started setting stuff for Pop's Easter hunt, little egg stuff. So yeah, that was gonna do. Yeah, so that is what is up. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Well, as you see, we are up and out. We just literally left. Yeah, so we're out enjoying the nice weather. Well, it's not so nice, but at least the sun's out, so I'll give you that. +6, that's still not nice. It's cold. Outside looks deceiving. It doesn't feel like 6. It's cold. -6. It feels like -6 outside. So, but you know what? Still enjoying, going for a little ride. Starting to get some stuff done because, you know, time of year, the weather's nice. Well, the sun's out, so a little bit more active. So yeah, it's just me, Mario, and Pops. Oh, he just fell asleep. Yeah, he just fell asleep, guys. He's tired. Yeah. No, okay, it was all nice dressed, and now, he's gonna go on the ship. So yeah, so we're just having some family time together. The other 3 older ones are home because they didn't want to come anywhere. So most of the time we don't ask them if they want to go anywhere anyways. You're lucky when you guys actually You're lucky. You're lucky when you see them. When you guys actually see them with us, because I guess they're older now. So unless if it's like we're back home and we're like, okay, we're going to the beach or going to the river, or if we're home and we're going out, that's when they want to come. But then when they want to come is when we don't have the car space to bring all of them. So yeah, they just home.
Gonna change the car.
But it's not even necessary for them either. It's like when we have guests are like, you know, we are go somewhere, we need the space. So it's always good to have a bigger vehicle than something that's so compact. But anyways, yeah, we're just going out. I guess we'll bring you guys along because we're starting to go hunting, you know. We're starting to hunt for stuff for the house, so that is what we are doing. And just spend some quality time, so come along with us. And Pops is still fast asleep. He's fast asleep. And of course, Mr. Williams in his element when it comes to tools. He's there looking around. So, yeah. Oh Lord. We're just searching down the place for a few stuff. But some of the stuff that we cannot find. We'll continue looking around. We'll continue looking around until we find what we need. God, this thing is so squeaky. This is so squeaky. So what are those ones there, babes? Are those something different? These ones down here? Mm-hmm. Those down there. Oh. Is there different stuff? Oh, okay. Oh, Lord. Oh, guys. Eyes just itchy. Yeah. So. It's lunchtime. I'm getting hungry. With the other one, you did get the roller came with it? No. So you have to buy the roller with it? So what you do? Buy puss in a bag? The stuff we have at home. That one, that thing there.
Yeah, but you know, the roller you have to buy different.
Oh. So I did ask you if it came with it. But you don't need it, do you? No?
No, but they're nice. You know, see, heavy.
Have you looked for it or no? You have so much things to look for anyways. Oh. What? It's your face. Did he text? What did he say? Alright. Well, I guess the person we were waiting on were able to reach.
I'm away from home for a couple of days.
Okay, so tell him to text you when you reach back so then you can come and pick it up or arrange to pick it up. People, oh gosh, so hard to deal with people sometimes. Like when it comes to business, they're so unprofessional. Hate it. Hate when people, yeah. And for me, hate is a strong word. I dislike it so much when people are unprofessional.
Yeah, so okay, let me know when you're available.
Yeah, well, if you find something else, go get it somewhere else. Disgusting. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we're just doing, guys. Huh?
I do this and eat me come up here for.
Well, I wouldn't advise you to come up here for something if you can't get a hold of the person. Waste your gas and time to come up here when you could be doing something else. You know? What? Hmm? So we're still outside. Oh baby, in here. Oh wait, another side of the door. Further down. Oh look, there's the couch that I saw that I said I liked. Okay, so we're gonna go in this place and take a look. Ooh.
You know who does me?
Are you supposed to open the door for me, not the other way around?